y'all, welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, it's raining. Today we're doing a little fishing in the rain. Like I said, I'm heading down south to one of my little spots. When I get to the water, I'll get with y'all. Peace. Alright everybody, we done made it back to the water. Got this 3-pole line rope. Also got some minnows. I'm fishing with these red worms. That's all I got with me. I ain't even got a cheddar. But if we can bring some in, I'll bring y'all back. God damn. I couldn't even put the pressure on trying to get fucking shit. Oh. I just had one on my too. Alright everybody, I'm choosing to relocate because I missed that fish. And then I lost a couple of tackle already, so I'm not about to lose all my tackle. I can't fish in the spot I want to, so I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get to the other lane. Alright y'all, we done made it to the second spot. And I want to say I got a fish on them because I done got hit. Check him out. Nah, it ain't nothing. Not yet. A little fishing hole. Look, we got one on, y'all. Look at that pole beam. There we got it from there. Let's see what we got. This one feel nice too, y'all. Come up out of there. Nice. Nice shell cover. First one of the day. Alright, y'all. We got our first fish. I like to give them a lot of water so that they stay alive and fresh, just in case I end up letting them go at the end or whatever it's going to be. They won't do it. So, like I say, got one. Get it. Alright, we just throwed it in there. That line already jumped. Go down. Keep going down. Okay. To a whole nother spot. Ain't gonna get me this time, so I don't know how long I'm gonna really stay here. But I will spot before I come back for the day. Alright, y'all, we done made it to another spot. This is gonna be the last spot I try today. I don't know if y'all can see that bobber. I got a bobber on over here. It look like something out there playing with it, but if it hit, I'll let y'all see what it look like. I got this pole on the bottom here. There are 2 poles I'm fishing with. One on the bottom, one on the bobber. They done cleaned the little spot out too. Appreciate that, whoever did that.